How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Gmail or any Google app from your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for manage your Google account. So tap on that, and now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and navigate to the Security and Sign In tab and further tap on it. Now scroll down to the Your Devices tab and then tap on the Manage All Devices option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to view all the devices that has been signed in to your Google account or your Gmail account. So simply tap on the Google account or the Gmail account that you want to remove from other devices or the device that you find suspicious, and you might be required to enter your passkey. So enter your passkey and then tap on the sign out option you see there, and then tap on the sign out option again, and with this your account will be removed from that particular device. So this is how you can remove Gmail account from another device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.